Hi there, my name is Zabilan Tolman. I am a physician and chief editor at AMBOSS. I hope you're enjoying using our high-yield summer crash course. I just wanted to run you through one of our more difficult questions. Here we have many features, and that's where the highlight tool can help out. I find what's really most important. There's an image here. Let's say I don't know what that is. Well, that's where the attending tip can come into play. It points out all the features I should know, and this indicates that the patient has an infection with Giardia. Okay, so we have recurrent upper respiratory infection, chronic diarrhea. Our patient likely has a selective IgA deficiency then. This patient then is at increased risk for which of the following? A hypersensitivity reaction to transfusion. Why? Well, they develop anti-IgA antibodies. So a transfusion with IgA would of course cause an anaphylactic reaction. Thank you very much for listening. Hope you found this helpful and that you continue enjoying using our high-yield summer crash course.